Haplotype are a multiple loci in the same chromosome that are inherited together, so it usually linked in a string of SNP results, as mentioned inside slide. So, to form haplotype block, must create recombination in each chromosome, by meiosis mating fashion, as mentioned inside slide. Continuously, this slide show the different formation of haplotypes after few and hundred generations. And this is a block frequencies regarding haplotype formation. As we mention, there are only 3 to 5 common haplotypes, greater than 90% of observed haplotypes. In short, haplotype are a collection of alleles derived from same chromosome, as we show, the chromosome phase in genotypes, unknown, while the chromosome phase in haplotypes, known, as mentioned inside slide.